Welcome fellow traders to the training session of BestBull. Today, we will take one step closer to trading with BestBull by learning how to add scripts in your trading application. But first, let's understand why we add scripts. Scripts are essential for any trading software as they define the securities or instruments we want to trade. So let's get started. Once you log into the BestBull application, the following screen will be visible to you. In the menu bar, click on the default interface icon. Next, right-click on the blank space on the screen and a dialog box will appear. Click on the option Show Hide Screen. This will open a new dialog box where you can see various different folders representing activated segments. Examples included cryptocurrencies, internationals, and their respective subsections such as COMEX, currencies, indices, NYMEX energy, SGX Nifty, and US stocks. You can expand or contract these folders by clicking on each section. Now, let's look at one way to add scripts. Suppose you want to add SGX Nifty. Double-click on SGX Nifty May. As soon as you double-click, the dollar icon will turn yellow. If you double-click it again, it will turn to its original form. Another way to add scripts is by selecting the folder and clicking on the Show button. The dollar sign will turn yellow, indicating that the script has been added. Clicking on the Hide button will revert the selection. Suppose you want to add the entire folder of US stocks. You can do this by selecting the folder and clicking on Show. The entire folder will be selected. Clicking on Hide will deselect the folder. Performing similar actions with the main folder, selecting it and clicking on Show will display all the activated scripts on the screen. Similarly, you can hide them all. You can also add or remove scripts directly from the screen. To remove a script, right-click on it and select Remove from Course. It will disappear. If you want to add it back, follow the same procedure mentioned earlier. Right-click, select Show Hide Script and double-click on the folder you want to add the script to. Congratulations! You have successfully added a script to your trading application. Adding scripts can provide you with valuable tools and insights to enhance your trading experience. We will meet again in the next video to learn more about trading with BestBull. Bye-bye.